everyone, thanks for joining me today. Today I'm here to unbox the Washi Club subscription. Now, full disclaimer, I did not pay for this. This was sent to me free of charge just to get my feedback and what I think of the box. Now, if you've not heard of the Washi Club, they are a new subscription in the UK. I hadn't actually heard of them and they have been around since last year, and it is run through the paperlobster.co.uk. And the lovely Colette put out on Facebook that she was looking for washi people who love washi, which obviously is me with over 7,000 rolls, but that's another story for another day. And I was like, how do I not know about you? So I'm really glad that she put that on Facebook, and now I'm really excited to delve into this because obviously I know nothing about this subscription. I can tell you a little bit about it from what I can read on her website. So there are 3 subscription tiers. The first one is £6 a month, £12 a month and £16 a month. In the £6 a month one, you get one washi tape, 1 stick of vinyl and a postcard. In the £12 a month one, you get 3 washi, 2 vinyls and 1 postcard. And in the 16, you get the 5 washi tapes, 3 stick of vinyls and 1 postcard. And that's with free postage to the UK. There are other tiers for international, so you won't miss out. Each month it looks like there are 100 boxes and that's it, else it sells out, and whatever, if it doesn't sell out it goes onto the website, but obviously you won't get them at this price. So as I've already mentioned, I was sent this box for free and I'm going to delve into it. I have opened the box just so I can get in, but I haven't actually looked at anything and I haven't unwrapped it. So I've just covered my address because you don't even need to know where I live. So on opening the box, ooh, I like this. I love the fact that this is personalised. And we have a little sticker here. I apologise for the crinkliness, but I do try to save absolutely everything. Oh, I did rip it. Ooh, oh, this is pretty. This is already, I can see. So before I go any further, I have shopped with a Paper Lobster before. It was a very, very long time ago, I must admit. And I still have some of her original stickers. So yeah, one thing I do love is the vibrancy of it, because I am all for colour. Oh, I've got a full kit. Okay, so Colette has very kindly sent me the colourful rainbow box, which is the 5 washi tapes, 3 sticker vinyls and a postcard. So we're gonna delve into these. I can't see which washi they are, so I'm really looking forward to this. So we have, I'm going to pop the box over to one side. So we have this, look at this artwork. And she draws all this, which is just amazing. And I just really like it. It's so pretty. And Jar of Sunshine. It's really nice. I like that. So that's your first postcard, which is A6. We'll pop that to one side. Now we'll have a look at the washi tape in a moment. What do we have here? We have a thank you card, and it is silver foil. That's really nice, and that's the website there. That's, oh, I hope you love the Washi Club. This is last month's theme for you to try. Everything included for the Rainbow members. Would love to know what you think, Colette. So I was just checking there was nothing on there that I couldn't share. I really like this. This is, oh, I'm going to have to go back. I have got another order outstanding, but I think I'm going to have to go back on the website. I can see it coming. So the first sticker we have is this gorgeous cassette tape. Now this is a glossy sticker. And it says, oh, I do like to be beside the seaside. I am so going to save that for summer, because obviously when I go to the beach, I'm hoping to go in July. So yeah, I think that would be good for my memory journal. I like the size of it. The only downside, I do not like glossy stickers. It's just my personal preference. Now, I'm going to contradict myself in a minute, because this is glossy. And it's just because doing this makes me cringe because I just don't like the feel. And I also don't like how they look in my planner because I mainly use matte stickers. But in saying that, when we look at the next sticker that's in here, now this is technically glossy because it has got an overlay film on it, but it is different. And I like this style. Don't ask me why. See, contradictory. I like this, but I'm not a keen glossy fan. But I really, yeah, it's just my personal preference. Nothing against the brand, nothing. So You Are a Rainbow of Possibilities, admit one. I love these tickets. I've seen a couple of these in the Facebook groups going around as Colette's been drawing different ones, and I really, really like it. The other thing I really like is the fact that you can see the other side of the hand there. So her drawing skills are amazing. That is really good. And the attention to detail. I love the colours. It is gorgeous. And I love that sparkle. There you go. Sparkle overlay. That's really nice. I'd love to see more of these. I'm going to have to check out a shop for more. Then we have a matte. See, now I like these. This is my favourite because I like this texture. But in the same respect, I really like that she offers the choice. So you've got 3 different styles. So yeah, that's really nice. I do like that. And to be fair, I would still use it anyway. It's just me. Okay. So this one says, let the waves hit your feet and your sand be the... No, let's get that right. Let the waves hit your feet and the sand be your seat. And it's like a beach hut, like a chalet. I really, really like this. I absolutely love the fact that it's rainbow. It's just gorgeous. Right. Now into the main part. Now, washi tape. And before I dive into the washi tapes, I have no idea what the patterns are because I haven't looked. And I haven't actually looked on Instagram either. I do believe she does sneak them throughout the month until they dispatch, I think. I could be wrong. Anyway, we're going to look at the packaging before I look at the tape. So, the Washi Club, which is just lovely. Hello Washitape Addict. And then you've got the rainbow smiles on the side. You've got a blank top. Obviously, it says there lovely washi tape, but I'm not going to show you the washi yet because I want it to be a surprise too. 10 metres of lovely washi tape. Use me to add extra layer of loveliness to presents, planners, craft projects and scrapbooks. Give it to a toddler and watch it magically disappear, simultaneously reappear everywhere. That also applies to cats. Take it from me. I really like the packaging. I love the fact that it's all generic. And yeah, so first design. Should I go this way or should we go this way? I'm going to take it out. So the first design is... Oh, I really like this. So much so, my outstanding order has a roll of this in it because I really like this. It is a tie-dye, like tie-dye rainbow effect. That's really nice. With silver foil, little rainbows, with a leopard print, like with hearts as well. Yeah. I'm glad I've actually ordered a second roll because I think I'm going to use that quite a bit. Right, next roll. We have, ooh, this is nice. A yellow washi tape. There is a serious lack of yellow washi in the community. It's one of my most favourite colours, but the least I own because there isn't very many that do it. So, the repeaters in this is not that long. So we have, by the look of it, that's the repeat. I really like that though. Because you've got the different beach huts. The beach huts are the same, but then you've got a different parts here with rainbows, ice cream, shells, smiley faces. I like that. That's really nice. Then I keep going like this because I'm like, what's next? What's next? But I want to open it with you. Oh, okay. I really like this. So I was asked not quite a few weeks ago, a couple of weeks ago, what I thought about washi tape with quotes on, because it's not something that we see very often. And out of all my washes, I've probably got about half a dozen that have quotes on like this. So I'm actually quite nice to see this. So we've got all you need is less. Happiness is mood. Positivity is mindset. You are a rainbow of possibilities. You are enough just as you are. Don't let yesterday use much. Oh God, I can't get my words. Use up much of today. Do good and good will come to you. Be kind always. Today will be amazing. Believe in you. When it looks for rainbows. And then we're back to when it rains, always look for rainbows even. And then we're back to all you need is less. I love that. I love the fact that they are spaced out so that you could chop them up and you could use them in a journal. You can use them in planners because obviously the width is great. Yeah, I really like that. I would love to see some more of these, and I love the fact that they are rainbow too. So, next one. Ooh. Okay. So we've got some seashells with what looks to be like, is that holographic foil? It might be holographic or silver, but I can't tell because my lighting's terrible in here. With some lobsters and seashells. And I like it. Honestly, it's not my favourite washi tape. Would I buy it separately? Probably not. I like it. I don't know. I don't know what I'd use it for. Well, I'm not sure on that one. I'll come back to that one. It might grow on me. I mean, I like the lobsters because obviously you're my lobster, the Friends reference. And last but not least, oh, we have a rainbow. Rainbow. Oh, I like this. That's just so functional. You could use that anytime, any spread, anywhere. Yeah. I actually do like that. It goes really well. I like how cohesive it all is. Yeah, so £16 including postage. So now, the postage, right, I need a calculator because we're going to work this out together. Let's get my calculator up. So this is 16, and this is in the UK, so obviously if you're abroad it's slightly more, but that's your problem. As my husband would say, that sounds like a you problem. Because if I'm here and I have to buy something abroad, I have to pay extortionate rates of postage. It's just what it is. So there you go. So this is £16. So this is what we're going to start off with. Then the postage price was £1.85. And obviously packaging is in there as well. So that leaves a box total of £14.15. Now, even if you were to, I don't know, I'm not going to go on the website and have a look at the prices of things, but I would say even if you said that they were a base of £2 each, those stickers, because I would pay £2 each, at least, especially for this one. So even if you said £2 each, that's £6. So you delete that, take that away, that leaves £8.15. Then you've got your postcard. Now, postcards, I would say probably £1 maximum. So take £1 away. That's £7.30, £7.15. Now, if we just take the 15p off, because no, that did not work. Take the 15p off for the packaging, even though quite clearly a yellow box and the big sticker, the sticker inside, and the tissue paper cost more than that. But we'll say that. So that leaves £7. And then if we divide that by 5, that's given us washi tape at £1.40 a roll. This is a huge bargain. Am I going to subscribe? Roll on payday, because I think I am, because I do really like it. I just want to say thank you to Colette again for sending it to me, and I really do like this box and I cannot wait to use it in my journal. In fact, I'm going to go and use it in my journal. So yeah, I would really recommend you go check this out, and I'll leave the link in the description below. So thank you for joining me today, and I'll see you next time. Bye for now.